Guys, welcome to KV School Education. Today I am going to explain you the unit number 2 of class 5 and the unit name is Karate Kitten. You know what is the meaning of karate? I think it is an fight. It is a violent fight which happened. It is a training course which will taken by the small children, and they will improve day by day. And what is the meaning of kitten? You know now. What the meaning of kitten is? Baby cat. Baby cat. Baby of the cat is known as a kitten. Here is a story of the Karate Kitten. So we'll see this story. When Rohit was 9, his family lived in a small town. So here the story is about Rohit, and he was 9 years old. So Rohit was 9 years old. His family lived in a small town. So he lives with his family in a small town. His father Raja Rao was a clerk in Rao and Rao company. So who is his father? His father is a Raja Rao, and he was a clerk in Rao and Rao company. So he was a clerk. He works as a clerk. And Janaki, Rohit's mother, was a homemaker. So she is a housewife. She'll do only related works to his house. So she used to be alone in daytime when Rohit was at school and Raja Rao is in office. So what she used to do? She used to live alone in daytime. So no one will be at home. His son Rohit will be at school and his husband Raja Rao will at his office. So she wanted to have a pet. So Janaki, who is the wife of Raja Rao and a mother of Rohit, she wanted to have a pet because she lived alone. No one will be at a daytime in her house. She will be alone. So she wanted to have a pet. She asked Rohit father several times for a pet. So she asked his husband, who is him? He is Raja Rao. She asked his husband that to give her a pet. It means that she wanted to take a pet. So Rohit also supported his mother. So Rohit also wanted to support his mother that to have a pet in their home. So many days passed. So by many of the days has been passed, but she didn't receive a pet. But Raja Rao did not bring home any pet. Yeah, his husband Raja Rao didn't brought any pet to home. Janaki said to herself. So she talked with herself. I should get a pet on my own. So Janaki decided to get her own pet. One morning, Janaki and Rohit went to a pet shop on Mahatma Gandhi Road near the clock tower. So as we know that Janaki decided to buy her own pet. So what Janaki did? She has taken Rohit, his son, with her, and they went to pet shop. And what place they went up? At Mahatma Gandhi Road near the clock tower. There is a clock tower and the road is the Mahatma Gandhi Road. They went there to buy a pet. The pleasant shopkeeper welcomed them. So the pleasant shopkeeper welcomed them. Janaki explained her problem to the shopkeeper. What Janaki explained her problem? What is Janaki's problem? That she wanted to buy a pet, but no, his husband was not willing to buy a pet. So Janaki and his son Rohit came to the shop. So she explained to the shopkeeper. The young keeper advised Janaki to buy a kitten. So what is the shopkeeper work? To advise them, to give them suggestion, to buy this thing, to buy that thing, that this will be better for you, this will be better for us. So what the shopkeeper advised Janaki? To buy a kitten. Already I said what is the meaning of kitten? Baby cat. Baby of the cat is known as kitten. So the shopkeeper advised Janaki to buy a kitten. So why kitten? So obviously Janaki will reply, why only kitten? Why can't I buy a puppy? Why can't I buy a chicken? So whatever, she wanted to think whatever. Because it's special. So what the shopkeeper said? He said that because it is a special thing. So why can't I buy a puppy? And why can't I buy a chick? So why only the kitten? So because it's special. So he said because it's special. What is special about the kitten? So Janki asked him that what is special about the kitten. So next paper, then it's a karate kitten. So the shopkeeper replied that it is a karate kitten trained in Japan, madam. So what the shopkeeper said, it is a karate kitten trained in Japan. So the training of karate is given by kitten is in Japan. It's the only karate kitten in India. So present at the situation, there is only one karate kitten which is available in their shop, and that shopkeeper is trying to sell the karate kitten to the Janki. So it is only a single karate kitten which is in the India. What does it do? Rohit asked curiously. So Rohit also there with his mother. So Rohit also asked what it does for us. So why it is helpful for us? So Rohit asked curiously. So excitedly Rohit asked what it do for us. What is the help of karate kitten? So karate, said the shopkeeper. So karate, said the shopkeeper. It will give you a lot of entertainment. So usually what we need in our daily life, we need the entertainment. So what the shopkeeper said, it will give you the entertainment. So karate, Rohit and his mother shouted at once, karate. They shouted karate. So the shopkeeper placed an old chair in the middle of the shop. So what the shopkeeper did, he wanted to give some suggestions. So what he did, he kept the chair in the middle of the shop. Then he bought a little kitten. So what he did, he bought a little kitten in the shop. It was a white and cute. So how the kitten was, it was cute and it was a white. So it was a lovely cover to attract them. When he said kitten, karate chair. So when he said kitten, karate chair. So the kitten jumped on the chair with vigor. In a matter of seconds, the kitten broke the chair into pieces. So when the shopkeeper said karate chicken, then karate chair. Then what the kitten did, it jumped on the chair and it had broken the chair into two pieces. So wow, Rohit jumped with joy. So what the Rohit got the entertainment over there. So what Rohit was said, wow. Then he jumped with the joy, with the happiness overloaded. He jumped with the joy. What a wonderful kitten! And he replied, what a wonderful kitten it is. Janaki paid for the kitten. So she decided to buy a kitten. So what she did, she paid for a kitten. So Rohit and his mother left for their house. So after buying the kitten, along with the kitten, they went to home. When they reached home, they made karate kitten smash old boxes. So what is the work of kitten? To break the items. So what they did, they kept all the old boxes and they said karate kitten. So what they did, what the kitten did, it had broken all the old boxes and other useless articles. All the old things has been broken into many pieces. Rohit was very excited and was waiting for his father. So Janki and Rohit went to the shopkeeper. But who is his father? Raja Rao. He didn't have any idea about the kitten. So he was very excited to show his father, who Rohit and Janki. Both were excited to show the kitten to his father and his husband. So next, he was curious to tell about karate kitten. Next, Rohit was happy and started singing song. So Rohit was very happy and he started singing song. What the song? Once listen it. Karate kitten jump here and there, beating things everywhere. Karate kitten pounds her here and there, kicking things everywhere. Karate kitten hop here and there, crushing things everywhere. Karate kitten stamp here and there, smashing things everywhere. So what the Rohit is telling, smash everything, jump here and there, and then kick everything, crush everything. Everything he is telling in this poem. So once you will read it, you will get that. Next, when Rajaram came home in the evening, then his father came to the home. Janki's husband and Rohit's father came to the home in the evening. So Rohit and Janki were playing with the Karate Kitten. What they are doing? They are playing with the Karate Kitten. The hall was filled with the broken wooden pieces and crockery. So how the situation was? The hall was broken with wooden pieces and crockery. What is the meaning of crockery? The beakers which we used to keep some food items, that all were broken. Everything was broken, and he was annoyed and shouted, "What's going on here?" He was very angry and he shouted, "What is going on here?" And then karate practice dad said Rohit. What he replied? He said that karate practice is going on. Karate practice? Who is that karate master? So his father asked, karate practice, how it is possible? Who is that karate master? Then Janki showed the little kitten to her husband. Then Janki showed the kitten to his husband. Then we bought this karate kitten this morning. It's our pet now, Rohit said proudly. So Rohit was very proud about the karate kitten, and he said his father very proudly that this is a karate kitten which we bought in the morning. Karate kitten. Rajarao screamed in anger and disbelief. So karate kitten. So he was in the work. Then without informing him, they went, and he was very angry and he screamed in anger. So yes dear, it's our new pet, Janki said softly. So when he was angry, Janki replied softly that, yes dear, this is our karate kitten. It's now our pet. It will live with us. Karate kitten, my head. Rajarao shouted. What? When the karate kitten heard this, it attacked Rajarao's head. So the karate kitten was very talented, and the karate kitten heard Rajarao's angriness. Then it had attacked the Rajarao's head. Oh, my head. He put his hand on his blade head. So what he did? The karate kitten jumped on Rajarao's head, and he was very screamed about the karate kitten. Janki and Rohit burst into the laughter. So what the Janki and Rohit did? They laughed a lot upon his father and his husband. So this is a story about the karate kitten. So this is a story. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video.